People who later realized they were actually the villain in someone else's life. What's your version of that story? When I was in first grade, my closest friend came over to hang out at my place. During her visit, she misplaced her shiny golden Charizard card. We both searched everywhere but had no luck finding it before it was time for her to leave. Continued to search after she left, but it had just vanished the next day at school. She asked if I had found it, and I told her it was strange because I still hadn't come across it. Obviously, she didn't buy that from that point on. She pretty much despised me and never treated me the same again. Later on, her family was preparing to move to a new place, and her dad actually brought her back to my house to ask me one final time to return the card if I had it. But just showing up didn't make the card appear out of thin air. He stood at my door with that classic disappointed grown-up face, and I still didn't have it. He then asked to speak to my parents, and they ended up questioning me thoroughly. But like before, I still genuinely didn't have the card.